are here at Land Park, and we are here at Land Park, and so far there's goose pooping everywhere. So let's go take a look around. As you see, the ducks are not intelligent.
Huh?
As you see, the ducks are not intelligent.
What? Pick up your...
Was it a geese? Wait. This?
Come.
Then I want to go sit down there. Dad, don't stand back. She's laying on.
Really?
Yeah. If she did that, she's laying on.
Okay. Over there, there's a geese. Funny looking goose that has like those little thing that chickens have. It looks like it's shitting his pants. It's like looks like he's wearing diapers, and then he already pooped. It's like. Did you see that young woman was walking? Yeah. It looked like it pooped its pants, if it had pants. It's just walking around like this.
It's laying eggs. Let's go. Bye. Bye.
Making my way downtown. Making my way downtown.
Come here.
Where?
Let's go eat McDonald's.